Here's a quick guide to enable developer mode on Android. Follow simple hidden steps in settings to unlock advanced features for customization and debugging your device. Go to the Settings app. You can do this by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon, or by finding the Settings app in your app drawer. Once inside Settings, scroll down to the bottom of the menu and tap on About Phone. This section contains important information about your device, including model number, software version, and system details. Next, look for software information and tap on it. Inside this menu, you will see an option called Build Number. Tap on Build Number 7 times quickly. After a few taps, a countdown message will appear on the screen saying something like, "You are now X steps away from being a developer." Keep tapping until it confirms that developer mode has been enabled. If your phone is secured, you may be asked to enter your PIN, pattern, or password to verify your identity. This is a normal security step. Finally, go back to the main settings menu. Scroll down and you will now see a new option called Developer Options, usually located just above or below About Phone. From here, you can access advanced settings and customize your device further. Use carefully and only change settings you understand to avoid affecting performance or stability of your Android device in daily usage smoothly.